how you can add a link in your LinkedIn post. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, just press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. First, just open up your LinkedIn. Now make sure that you're logged into it, and it does not matter if you're on your mobile phone or you're on your PC. Just open up your LinkedIn. Now as you can see right here, this is my initial page, and after you've opened it up, just go ahead and start a post. Now just type in whatever you want. Now you can just write a brief description about the post or the link that you want to add. And after you do so, what you can do is just directly copy and paste the link. And as you can see right here, LinkedIn will automatically just process the post, and it will just add the video or whatever it is on your post. Now you can even add www.instagram.com, and after some time it should start processing, and it'll just add it right down below. So this is pretty much it. Now you can just post it, and that is how you add your link on your LinkedIn post. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Don't forget to like the video, and bye bye, take care.